little cations, a very warm welcome to your today's session. And this class is going to be important and guaranteed one question is going to be in your exam. So make sure that you attend the session till the very end, because we are going to clear all the confusions about isotopes, isobars and isotones, right? Very much important from the examination perspective. And if in case you are new on the channel, then you need to make sure that you subscribe to it, you hit the bell icon so that you do not miss on any of the important sessions that we would be conducting in future. Okay, and you also have to hit the like button of the video. 50 likes ka target to yaar banta hai na, dekho, because you are cations and 50 likes, so you need to get them done. I don't know how, but you have to do it. And I am your chemistry master teacher Shilpi Kaushik here at Vedantu. Let's get started with a happy note. Every new day is another chance to change your life. Exactly. Okay, and there's nothing like the last chance, the last time. We always have a new day, है ना? So नए दिन पे you can always start new, you can fresh start everything. And now New Year is coming, so New Year से अच्छा क्या time हो सकता है to start something new, isn't it? So yeah, that is just a state of mind. So let's say if term 1 exam did not go well, that's okay. Okay, let it be, because we have term 2 coming our way. We have atoms and molecules, structure of atom to prepare. So everything we would be mastering in the class related to isotopes, isobars and isotones. So talking about atom, you know, atom is a fundamental building block of all the matter. So whatever we are having around us, that is having all the matter that is present around you. Matter is anything that has some mass, that occupies some space, the presence of which you can feel with your any sense organ, any 5 senses. That is something matter. And you know, if we keep on dividing matter, then a stage will come when we cannot divide it any further. That is somewhere we reach to the particle level, where we get the atoms. So atom is a fundamental building block of all the matter that is present around us, and we assume that these atoms are spherical in shape, just like this you can see here. Okay, and at the center we are having the nucleus. Nucleus is a body where the entire mass of an atom is basically concentrated, है ना? So most of the mass of the nucleus most of the mass of an atom resides in the nucleus, and this nucleus is comprising of 2 subatomic particles. We have protons and neutrons. So protons, which have positive charge on them, positively charged particles. Neutrons are neutral. The name itself tells you they do not have any charge as such. So the entire mass of an atom is decided by the total number of protons and neutrons. So collectively they are known as nucleons. Okay, protons and neutrons together, they decide the mass of an atom. They reside inside the nucleus. And what about the electrons? Electrons have like negligible mass, and they are the negatively charged particles which revolve around the nucleus, okay, in a certain energy ka shell. So yahan par in a circular path, like this is the nucleus, and around the nucleus of an atom electrons are revolving continuously. So that is the basic structure of an atom, how it looks like. Okay, so isme there comes the definition, there comes a term that you study. So isotopes mein before understanding them, you should be aware about atomic number and mass number. So atomic number is represented by capital Z, and wo kya batata hai? It just talks about the number of protons in an atom, number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. जैसे when I say carbon has an atomic number of 6, so इसका मतलब the atom of carbon nucleus, inside the nucleus we will be having 6 protons. ठीक है? So I can represent atomic number by Z. That gives me total number of protons in an atom, and मुझे पता है that atom is neutral, and for a neutral atom number of protons will be equal to number of electrons. So जैसे question आ सकता है, let's say number of electrons in an oxygen atom are 8. What is its atomic number? So you need to understand 8 electrons means 8 protons, and atomic number would be 8, है ना? Easy, simple as that, not difficult. So it is denoted by capital Z. Oh, of course that's easy, not difficult. ठीक है, उसके अलावा when I talk about the mass number, मास नंबर जो है that is basically, I told you, mass is situated inside the nucleus and that is represented by capital A, and mass का जो total contribution है that is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons in an atom. So how can I write beta about the mass number? I guess the color is visible to you. Shilpi ma'am will keep on changing the colors only. I guess I am visible. Yeah. ठीक है. So I was saying atomic number जो है that you can simply denote by mass number. आप कैसे दोगे? Number of protons plus number of neutrons, है ना. ऐसे मास नंबर वी कैन कैलकुलेट. एंड एटॉमिक मास भी एक चीज होता है. वी कैन टॉक अबाउट इट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज दैट. ठीक है. सो हाउ डू वी रिप्रेजेंट एन एलिमेंट? अगर आपको रिप्रेजेंटेशन करना है किसी एलिमेंट का, यू नीड टू गिव द सिंबल. जैसे कार्बन हैज अ सिंबल C. In the subscript you have to write the atomic number of the element, and superscript में you have to write the mass number. So it's like I want to write nitrogen atom, the symbol N. In the subscript I'm going to write the atomic number of nitrogen, that is 7, and superscript में I have to write the mass number, that is 14, है ना. This is the representation. So it means there are 7 protons, the mass is 14, मतलब the total of न्यूट्रॉन्स एंड प्रोटॉन्स दैट इज 14. सो आप न्यूट्रॉन्स भी निकाल सकते हो. जैसे लेट्स से आपको नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स डायरेक्टली निकालना है. यू टेक मास नंबर एंड फ्रॉम द मास नंबर यू सबट्रैक्ट द एटॉमिक नंबर. ईजी है, बिल्कुल डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. ठीक है. टॉकिंग अबाउट द एलिमेंट्स विद सेम एटॉमिक नंबर, सो हियर कम्स a term isotopes. Just we know that each atom of a same element has same number of electrons and protons, but what about the neutrons? The question is talking about the Dalton's second postulate. So if you remember Dalton's postulate number 2, he said that let's say this is a carbon element, then all the atoms of the same element have same masses and same chemical properties. How many of you remember? Tell me in the comment section. बोला था ना डॉल्टन ने कि atoms of the same element will be having the same masses. Is this always true? No. This was violated. Dalton's second postulate was violated when isotopes were discovered. It was found that atoms of the same element can have the different masses. Yes, it's not necessary that if this carbon atom is having a mass of 12, इसका भी 12 होगा. Maybe it can have a mass of 13, 14. They were isotopes. ठीक है. Why it happened? Because they have different number of neutrons. Yes, atoms of the same element can have different number of neutrons. Definitely. And that is something which gives rise to the isotopes. The same thing, atoms of the same element. सेम एलिमेंट के एटम्स हैं, देयर एटॉमिक नंबर हैज टू बी सेम. जैसे कार्बन के ही एटम्स हैं, एटॉमिक नंबर इज सेम. एटॉमिक नंबर सेम मीन्स दे ऑल हैव सेम प्रोटॉन्स. एटम्स ऑफ द सेम एलिमेंट हैव सेम प्रोटॉन्स. ओके, इट मीन्स दे हैव सेम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, but the mass is different. Some carbon atoms have a mass of 12 unit. Some carbon atom were found to have a mass of 13. कुछ का तो 14 भी मिला. Why? Because they have different neutrons. अगर आप neutrons निकालोगे, you can do it. Neutrons in this would be mass number minus atomic number, 12 minus 6 neutrons. यहाँ पे calculate करो, 13 minus 6 7 आएगा, 7 न्यूट्रॉन्स. ठीक है. यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करो, 14 माइनस 6 8 न्यूट्रॉन्स. ओके, सो ये आइसोटॉप्स होते हैं. सो वी कैन से आइसोटॉप्स आर हैविंग सेम एटॉमिक नंबर, डिफरेंट मास नंबर. Okay, so guys, one more thing you need to remember, इनकी chemical properties of isotopes would be same. ठीक है. So let's talk about the characteristic features. Isotopes have similar chemical properties. Definitely. They क्यों है similar chemical properties बेटा? Because if you pay attention, they have same number of protons. सेम एटॉमिक नंबर, सेम प्रोटॉन्स. अगर सेम प्रोटॉन्स हैं then that means they have same electrons. Same electrons means they have same valence electrons. अगर valence electron same है that means they have same valency, and valency is something that determines the chemical property of an element. So अगर वैलेंसी सेम है, Cp केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी भी सेम होगा, नॉट ठीक है, नॉट सम अदर थिंग. They occupy same position in the periodic table. So if you talk about the modern periodic table, तो पोजीशन भी सॉर्टेड है, बिकॉज मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल में एलिमेंट्स आर अरेंज्ड इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एटॉमिक नंबर. ठीक है, आइसोटॉप्स हैव सेम एटॉमिक नंबर एंड इनको साथ में भी रख सकते हैं, बिकॉज पीरियोडिक टेबल में यू कैन कीप द एलिमेंट्स विद सेम केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज टुगेदर. Position is quite justified in the modern periodic table. Isotopes of same element have different masses. This we have discussed. Do we have more examples? Yes, hydrogen is having 3 isotopes. We have protium, deuterium and tritium. Protium को हम ordinary hydrogen भी बुलाते हैं. Ordinary hydrogen, ठीक है, and it doesn't have any neutron. So protium is the only atom which doesn't have any neutron. याद रखना, ठीक है. 1H1 होता है, 1 atomic number, 1 mass number. So this protium is having 1 proton and 1 electron. देखो एक प्रोटॉन है, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है, न्यूट्रॉन नहीं है. The second is deuterium. Deuterium जो है that is having 1 atomic number, 2 mass number. It has 1 neutron. ठीक है. ट्रीटियम के पास 2 न्यूट्रॉन होते हैं. सो इट्स 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. प्रोटियम, ड्यूटीरियम, ट्रीटियम. ट्रीटियम इज रेडियो एक्टिव इन नेचर. ठीक है, सो इट एग्जिस्ट फॉर अ लेस पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. रेडियो एक्टिव होता है. देयर आर सम एलिमेंट्स यू नो विच आर नॉट वेरी स्टेबल. तो स्टेबल होने के लिए दे कीप ऑन रिलीजिंग द रेडिएशन. सम ऑफ द मास इज कन्वर्टेड इन एनर्जी, राइट. सो एग्जाम्पल और देखोगे, कार्बन का वी हैव डिस्कस्ड 12, 13, 14. क्लोरीन आपने देखा, एटॉमिक नंबर 35, 37, सॉरी मास नंबर, ठीक है, एटॉमिक नंबर 17 ही है, मास नंबर 35, 37. So same atomic number, different mass numbers, there we have isotopes. ठीक है. Now the thing is that, see, there is something confusing. अब क्लोरीन का आइसोटॉप्स में हाउ विल यू डिसाइड द मास? मैम टोल्ड यू, मैम ने एक चीज बोला कि बेटा जो मास नंबर होता है ना, दैट इज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स, है ना. सो द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट मैम if an element is having mixture of isotopes, मतलब क्लोरीन एलिमेंट के some elements, some atoms of chlorine element have a mass 35, कुछ का 37 है. so हम कौन सा मास लेने वाले हैं? so the answer is average atomic mass. so you study, आप simple average नहीं लोगे कि 35 plus 37 divided by 2, this gives you 36. but chlorine atom का mass 35.5 है. the question is that how can mass of an element be in decimal values when mass is a combination of protons and neutrons? they are always whole number. whole numbers को add करोगे you will get a whole number ना. so how can mass of chlorine come out in decimals? so the answer is the isotopes. कौन सा मास आप लोगे? 35 और 37. here comes the picture that is natural abundance. ठीक है. वन पॉइंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जो कि होता है नेचुरल अबंडेंस. मतलब वी गो इन द नेचर एंड वी एनालाइज कि क्लोरीन 35 इज एग्जिस्टिंग इन व्हाट परसेंटेज, क्लोरीन 37 इन व्हाट परसेंटेज. ठीक है. सो वी हैव टू सी मास. आपने देख लिया, सम एटम्स हैव मास 35 यूनिट्स, सम आर हैविंग 37 मास. द पॉइंट इज दैट हम कौन सा मास लेंगे? तो आंसर lies in natural abundance. मतलब देखो, let's say I have taken 100 chlorine atoms. when I take 100 chlorine atoms and I analyze that out of these 100 chlorine atoms, 75 chlorine atoms were having a mass of 35 units and remaining 25 chlorine atoms had a mass of 37 unit. that is their natural abundance कि nature में how they are existing in what percentage. so 25 percentage में chlorine atoms having a mass of 37 unit exist and 75 percentage में chlorine atoms having a mass of 35 exist. Getting the point? So ये natural abundance we have to take into picture. So how will you take the average atomic mass of chlorine now? किसी भी element का you have to take atomic mass first isotope का, then you multiply by the natural abundance of first atom, पहला isotope, plus atomic mass of the second atom या isotope बोलो, multiply by its natural abundance, divide by 100. सिंपल है. जैसे if you talk about atomic mass क्लोरीन का 35 multiplied by its natural abundance 75 में exist करता है, plus atomic mass of second isotope 37 multiplied by its natural abundance 25. Divide कर दो 100 से, you will be getting the average mass. We will discuss this separately in a session. अभी तो I'm just giving you an idea कि how we do it. ठीक है? Some of the applications of isotope, this is your homework. I want you to write me in the comment section isotopes and their applications. हो जाएगा, कर सकते हो, easy peasy. कॉपी मत करना यहाँ से, ठीक है? Don't go back and copy paste the same thing. Elements with the same number of nucleons. Nucleons क्या होते हैं बेटा? मैम ने बताया था, न्यूट्रॉन्स एंड प्रोटॉन्स कलेक्टिवली, मतलब मास नंबर की बात कर रहे हैं. क्या हो सकता है? एलिमेंट्स, डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स कैन हैव द सेम मास नंबर. डॉल्टन के हिसाब से तो नहीं हो सकता. डॉल्टन postulate number 3, he said that if you take different elements, let's say this is element argon, this is potassium, डिफरेंट एलिमेंट के एटम्स का मास भी अलग होगा. ठीक है? दे विल बी हैविंग, अगर इसके एटम्स का मास x है, दे कैन नॉट हैव द x मास. Masses of different element atoms will always have different masses and different properties. This is what Dalton told us. But Dalton's third postulate was also rejected when we discovered isobars. Isobars में हमने देखा, no, it is possible that there can be same mass number of different element के atoms. ठीक है? So they have different atomic number बेटा, क्योंकि they are atoms of different elements, but the mass number is same. जैसे argon is having atomic number 18, calcium is having atomic number 20. So protons इसमें अलग है, but if you see the mass of argon 40, calcium 40. Different element atoms can have the same masses. That is how we got the isobars. Okay, important है, ध्यान रखना. Then the last one is elements with the same number of neutrons. Neutrons ये इनको बोलते हैं isotones. N से याद रखना, N for neutrons. They have elements, atoms of different element, they are having the same neutron but they have different proton number. मतलब they also have different atomic number. Different atomic number होगा इनका. So these are atoms of different element having the same number of neutrons. मास भी अलग होगा इनका. Definitely. जैसे देखो सल्फर, सल्फर का वो वाला आइसोटॉप जिसमें मास इज 36, एंड इफ यू सी क्लोरीन का 37 वाला आइसोटॉप. So if you find the neutrons in them, neutron निकालने के लिए मैम told you take the mass number, subtract the atomic number. Take mass number, subtract atomic number, 20 neutrons आएंगे. So you see different atomic number, different mass number, yet they have the same neutrons, isotones. Okay, I hope the confusion is now clear and this session was important. I've given you a homework question to let me know the applications of isotopes. I want you to do that. Apart from that, if in case you are facing any of the following issues, you have doubts, concepts are not clear, assignments, and आपको लगता है कि मैम वी आर लैगिंग बिहाइंड द सिलेबस, मोल कॉन्सेप्ट जैसे चैप्टर टॉपिक को हम कैसे करेंगे, देन वेदांतु इज है फॉर यू, बिकॉज टर्म 2 का सब्सक्रिप्शन हैज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड एंड अ सेल इज गोइंग ऑन, ह्यूज क्रिसमस सेल इज गोइंग ऑन गाइज. So please go in the description box of this video. There is a link that is given there and you're gonna get a huge Christmas discount and a Merry Christmas to all of you. डोंट मिस इट, बिकॉज इफ यू बीन वेटिंग कि मैम टर्म 2 जब सस्ता होगा तब हम खरीदेंगे, तो ये ही वो टाइम है, ठीक है. दिस सेल इज फॉर क्रिसमस एंड न्यू ईयर, एंड ग्रैब इट, एंड इसको जल्दी लो, बिकॉज you should get into the very first batch for term 2. जितना late करोगे then you will be getting a late enrollment into a late batch, so that might be problematic तो नहीं, I would say कि उसमें थोड़ा time लगेगा. So we had time तो कर लो, ठीक है. Unlimited live classes, you would be able to cover your entire syllabus, right? And not just that, आप कितना कुछ कर पाओगे, मतलब do you even realize it? So I'll tell you the prices. This is starting on 13th of December को एक बैच शुरू हुआ था. The next batch 27 December को होगा for class 10th, and for 9 students 20th December को the first batch started. The next again 27th को 30 के बीच में the second batch is starting. You're gonna get a discount. एंड प्राइसेस बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम है. लाइक द सेम कोर्स जो आपको 2300 में मिलता था, इट्स कम डाउन अराउंड 1000 रुपीज़. सो जब 1000 के आसपास आप 1400 के आसपास जब आप पे करते हो किसी कोर्स के लिए, अ प्रो कोर्स जिसमें यू आर गेटिंग द प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, सोशल स्टडीज, दैट इज कम्प्लीटली वर्थ इट, ठीक है. सो एक महीने के अंदर यू कैन कंप्लीट द एंटायर सिलेबस फॉर टर्म 2, बिकॉज वी ऑफर यू अनलिमिटेड लाइव क्लासेस, ठीक है. वी गिव यू लॉट ऑफ सेशंस, एंड ड्यूरिंग द लाइव क्लासेस योर डाउट्स वुड ऑल्सो बी रिजॉल्व्ड, ठीक है. आई एम गोना शो यू सम ऑफ द पॉइंटर्स. रिवाइज योर एंटायर सिलेबस थ्रू हैंड रिटन नोट्स बाय द एक्सपर्ट्स. ओके, सो नोट्स की कोई टेंशन नहीं लेनी. कवर योर एंटायर सिलेबस. डाउट्स के लिए वी आर हैविंग क्लास टीचर्स अलॉन्ग विद मास्टर टीचर्स इन द सेशन. ओके, असाइनमेंट्स आपको मिलेंगे आफ्टर एवरी क्लास, ठीक. मॉक टेस्ट एंड इम्प्रूव द परसेंटेज, एंड यू गेट thousands of micro courses free which are taken by your favorite master teachers. Okay, so you can just have a look at that. 15 days के लिए एक ऑप्शन आएगा, ट्राई करो, उस पर टैप करना है. बट इट्स नॉट फॉर 15 days, you get extra 15 days free and 10% discount if you apply Shilpi Mam's coupon code Shilpi Kaushik Army Pro, that is SKA Pro. The price actually falls down. Okay, so that is what you have to keep in mind. Shilpi Kaushik, A for Army, Kitaian Army, है ना, A has to be there यार. So you can apply this coupon code, याद रखना. एंड दिस इज योर होमवर्क क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. थोड़ा सा होमवर्क है, ज़्यादा नहीं, कोई भी एक बता देना. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ आइसोटॉप या ये, ठीक है. इन विच आइसोटॉप देर आर इक्वल नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स. Again reminding you, grab the offer before it ends. Hurry up, you have Mam's coupon code. And I'll see you next time. Make sure that you like the video, you share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.